Your ass is getting in here.
I am?
Yeah. Oh shit, bag.
I can't fit it, you gotta lift it up. Hold on!
Are you sure?
Yeah, she just said. You guys, we have to fix that to where it is. To back where it was.
Wait, you guys.
Wait. No, hold on. Make sure they don't fall off. There. Don't break it!
Yeah, check down.
Alright, count you. One down. How many do you go?
I don't know. Just keep on going.
Holy crap, you fit in there?
Yeah, you broke.
I want someone to be in the other.
You were drinking Hawaiian punch.
I thought you like placed the camera on the thing.
No, I had like a cramp in my leg. I was just like, ah.
Okay, who are we missing?
Ashley.
Wait, how did she know?
We didn't tell her anything.
Yeah, we did. Actually, like, I want someone to be. Holy crap!
That was pretty funny.
I'm in your fridge drinking your juice.
Please tell me
No, no one's outside.
Where is it?
904.
Yeah.
Hold
I
on.
think Matt was.
Michelle, did you go yet?
Huh?
Did you go yet?
On the last game, yeah.
Alex has to go. Alex hasn't even gone yet.
seriously, I can't find that one.
Where the fuck should be?
No. Alex, did you go yet?
Seriously?
Yeah, I already went. That's when Kayla scared the shit out of me. Okay, someone has to redo
Dude,
this.
we lost her.
Let's keep on playing this. I'm bored.
You stole my good spot. It worked too. She
I
stole
went
I was there. I went
I
in
know.
there. I came in here.
And it worked too.
You know-
I'm
you
telling
know
that's
where-
a damn good spot.